Why does your scanner show the P0175 engine code? What does it mean? P0175 is a diagnostic trouble code or problem with system too rich. It indicates that the engine is running with an overly rich air-fuel mixture in bank 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. Faulty oxygen sensors, leaking fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, fuel pressure problems, mass airflow sensor issues, clogged air filter, ignition misfires. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.